If you want to explain out something to somebody, then you might want to use the laser pointer tool that you have right here. So if I were to click on laser pointer, or shortcut key for it is H, as you can see right here, once you click around, you can see a laser pointer that pops up right here. So you can go around, move the mouse, and the laser pointer, as you can see, becomes like a trail. So you can say something like this little file right here. So whenever you're using this in a video call or something like you're presenting it out to in a projector, or even the file that you're sharing with others, the laser pointer will be available. For example, this is a file being viewed by other person. So you can go around and you can see that as the other person actually focuses around, you can see the laser pointer gets displayed over here as well. So that is how you can go around and say, make changes on this one, this very thing right here, and so forth, and you can be specific, and the other users will be able to follow out on the shared file, and if they are viewing this on a projector or in a video call setting as well. So that is how you can use the laser pointer, and if you want to turn it off, you can click on the laser pointer button right here and it turns off. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.